In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to MYOB, and in just 5 minutes, you'll be up and running. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser of choice. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another browser. Simply double-click the browser icon on your desktop or open it from your Applications folder or taskbar, whichever is more convenient for you. Next, navigate to the MYOB website. You can do this by typing MYOB into the search bar and hitting Enter, but if you have the URL saved, that's even faster. Now, once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a sign-in option there. Hover over it with your mouse and a drop-down menu will appear. When it does, click on My Account to move on to the next step. After clicking My Account, you'll be prompted to input your login details. You'll need to enter the email address and the password that you associated with your MYOB account. If you happen to have any trouble remembering your password, don't worry. There's usually a Forgot Password link right under the login boxes. Follow the prompts to reset it if needed. But assuming everything's in order, go ahead and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the banking menu. This can typically be found in the top navigation bar after you've logged in. Click on it, and you should see an option for Banking Hub. However, if for any reason you don't see Banking Hub straight away, don't stress over it. Instead, look for an option labeled Billing, and under that select Bills. Sometimes the layout can slightly vary depending on updates. Now, within the banking section, you'll typically see a preview of your existing debit or credit card details. This is useful if you want to quickly check what cards are already linked to your account. To add your new bank account, click the Update button you see there. You'll be prompted to supply the new card's details, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the new details, make sure you double-check everything. It's always a good idea to be absolutely certain that you've typed in the correct numbers. Once confirmed, save the changes, and your new bank account should be all set up and ready to use within your MYOB account. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully added a bank account to your MYOB, streamlining your future banking tasks within the platform. Remember, keeping your information updated is crucial for seamless transactions and accurate billing. Stick around for more tips and tricks, and, as always, feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching.